Continuing on, CNC Group Break number 2564B. We're on to the 1213 Retro and Timberland Luxury Suite. All right, we've got a Noise Boys die cut for the Dallas Stars, Jaromir Jagr. Yum, yum. We've got an Autographics for the Minnesota Wild, Danny Heatley. Flair Showcase for the New Jersey Devils, Martin Brodeur. Retro for the Sharks, Arturs Irbe. Metal Universe for the Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Retro for the Flyers, Claude Giroux. Metal Universe for the Bruins, CloutsnChara. Retro for the Penguins, Chris Letang. Metal Universe for the Canucks, Corey Schneider. Retro for the Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. We've got an EX for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. And retro for the Kings, Jonathan Quick. Electrifying insert for the LA Kings, Anze Kopitar. Rookie Sensation Autograph for the Minnesota Wild, Jason Zucker. Autographics for the San Jose Sharks, Tommy Wingels. All right, on to the luxury suite. Rookie at $8.99 for the Detroit Red Wings, Jan Mersak. Jersey to $5.99 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Rick Nash. We've got a redemption for a retired signatures, number 107. Pretty sure this is for the Chicago Blackhawks, Jeremy Roenick. Retired signatures to $1.99. And a jersey to $5.99 for the Edmonton Oilers, Sam Gagner. Rookie at $8.99 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Ben Smith. Dual jersey, number to $5.99 for the Ottawa Senators, Nick Foligno and Chris Neal. And we got a jersey and stick, number 9/100 for the St. Louis Blues, Jaroslav Halak. Rookie at $8.99 for the San Jose Sharks, John McCarthy. Jersey to $5.99 for the Florida Panthers, Thomas Vokoun. And we got a redemption for a Group 3 rookie auto, number 159. Oh, sad face. For the New Jersey Devils, Alexander Vesunov. Alex Vesunov, sad face. Rookie at $8.99 for the Nashville Predators, Linus Clausen. Rookie at $8.99 for the San Jose Sharks, Alex Stalock. Jersey, number to $5.99 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. And a jersey and stick, number to 100 for the Ottawa Senators, Jason Spezza. All right, coming up next, Prism and Anthology.